Weak eyesight is a common issue linked to conditions such as myopia, nearsightedness, and hyperopia, farsightedness. These conditions often stem from factors like genetics, poor nutrition, aging, and excessive eye strain. Unfortunately, once these issues develop, they typically cannot be reversed. However, there is a natural remedy that promises to boost your eyesight by up to 80% and address various eye problems. Understanding the problem, vision problems affect millions worldwide, and while modern medical treatments such as glasses, contact lenses, and surgeries can help, many seek natural alternatives to enhance their vision and maintain eye health. By incorporating specific nutrient-rich ingredients into your daily routine, you may improve not only your eyesight but also your overall well-being. A natural remedy for eye health. This homemade remedy is easy to prepare and utilizes simple, natural ingredients known for their health benefits. Ingredients: 100 grams of aloe vera gel, 300 grams of organic honey, 500 grams of chopped walnuts, 4 medium-sized lemons. Preparation: 1. Begin by chopping fresh aloe vera leaves and storing the pieces in a sealed bag or container for 12 days. During this period, the aloe vera develops biogenic stimulators that enhance its healing properties. 2. After 12 days, blend the aloe vera leaves with the other ingredients honey, walnuts, and lemon juice until you achieve a smooth mixture. 3. Transfer the mixture to a glass jar and refrigerate it. How to use: consume 1 tablespoon of the mixture daily, 30 minutes before meals. This simple routine can reportedly lead to noticeable improvements in your eyesight and offer other health benefits, such as a boosted metabolism and enhanced overall health. Important precautions: while this remedy is natural, it may not be suitable for everyone. Avoid it if you fall into any of the following categories: women in the last trimester of pregnancy, individuals with hemorrhoids, patients with tuberculosis. Those suffering from acute renal failure, people with cardiovascular or gastrointestinal problems, women with vaginal inflammation. The benefits beyond vision: in addition to promoting better eyesight, the ingredients in this remedy are known for their broader health benefits. Aloe vera gel, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. Honey, a natural energy booster with antibacterial properties. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vital nutrients for brain and eye health. Lemon juice, a source of vitamin C, crucial for immunity and skin health. By incorporating this remedy into your daily routine, you may not only enhance your vision but also enjoy improved overall health and vitality.